Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's future classroom. Here are few more questions from mensuration. The first question is, a well of diameter 2 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Friends, when we look from the top, we say the depth, and when we look from the bottom or the foot to the top, we say height. So here depth is nothing but the height of the well. So a well of diameter 2 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out is spread evenly all around it to the width of 5 meter. So the width of the embankment is 5 meter, and find the height of the embankment. We have to find the height of the embankment. So first see the given things. Diameter of the well is nothing but the cylinder, that is 2 meter. So this diameter is 2 meter. It means the radius of this well is 1 meter. Height of the well is given as h1, that is equal to 14 meter, and the width of the embankment is 5 meter. This width is given as 5 meter. Since the width of the embankment is 5 meter and the radius of well is 1 meter, the radius of the outer circle will be 1 meter plus 5 meter, that is equal to 6 meter. So the radius of the embankment, that is R2, is equal to 6 meter, and let the height of the embankment is h2. Friends, the earth which is taken out from the well is spread evenly around the well to form an embankment, and therefore the volume of the earth taken out will be equal to the volume of the embankment, and therefore the volume of the earth taken out, that is equal to the volume of embankment. But the volume of embankment is calculated as the area of the embankment multiplied by height, because area multiplied by height, that gives the volume. So the volume of the earth taken out, that is equal to the area of the embankment multiplied by height. So volume of the earth taken out is given by pi r1 square h1, because volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. Here r is r1 and h is h1, so it will be pi r1 square h1. Now the area of the embankment, that is, this is the circle of well and this is the circle of embankment, and this will be the area of the embankment. So this area will be calculated as area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of outer circle, that is pi r1 r2 square minus pi r1 square. So this will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, that is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square multiplied by h2. Now from this you can take out pi as a common factor. So take out pi as a common factor. Inside the bracket it will be r2 square minus r1 square. So this pi and pi will get cancelled, and you will get h2 is equal to r1 square h1 divided by r2 square minus r1 square, shifting this bracket to the other side. Therefore h2 is equal to, now replace the values, as R1 is 1 meter, therefore R1 square will be 1 multiplied by 1. H1 is 14 and therefore it will be multiplied by 14 divided by R2 is 6 and R1 is 1, so it will be 6 square minus 1 square. So H2 is equal to 14 multiplied by 35. So H2 is equal to 0.5 meter and therefore the height of the embankment is equal to 0.4 meter. Friends, here is the another question, that how many balls each of radius 1 centimeter can be made from solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeter. There is a sphere of radius 8 meter. It is melted and recasted into small spheres of radius 1 meter. So how many such spheres will be formed? So see the given things, that radius of the lead sphere is equal to R1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Radius of small spheres, that is R2, is equal to 1 centimeter. And let the number of spheres be n. So such spheres formed are n in number. So the volume of this larger sphere, this volume will be definitely equal to n times the volume of all the spheres formed. So here it will be volume of smaller sphere. So it will be volume of lead sphere is equal to n times volume of one small sphere. And volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it will be 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is equal to volume of small sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So n into 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So here pi and pi will get cancelled. 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 will get cancelled and you will get r1 cube is equal to n r2 cube. So it is 8 cube is equal to n into 1 cube, because R2 is 1 meter and R1 is 8 meter, and therefore it will be 8 cube is equal to n into 1 cube. So n is equal to 512 and therefore the number of spheres is equal to 512. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.